How long have you guys been franchising? What do you think led the business to now become a franchise concept? How many years of experience do you have in the franchising industry? What would you say about any brands that are out there that are now looking to now franchise their concept? Why should they consider franchising their business? How many people out there are actually looking to buy a franchise? All right, so who am I with today?
Steve Gibbs,
And what's the name of your franchise concept?
Pizza Factory.
Awesome. And how long have you guys been franchising?
Well, we've been franchising for 40 years now, since '85.
Wow. And what do you think led the business to now become a franchise concept?
I think the biggest thing is just connecting with the franchisees. They have certain goals they want to achieve. Our brand enables them to do that in the towns that they want to do it in. So that's kind of what's unique about us. They decide they want to live somewhere, they want to be there. How are they going to afford that life? Pizza Factory can go to that town and be their vessel for that. They become a part of the community, and it goes on for years. We have franchisees that are over 30 years of the brand.
Wow. And how many years of experience do you have in the franchising industry?
So me personally or the brand? Me? Man, going back to 97.
Wow.
That's been a while.
Yeah.
So.
And what would you say about any brands that are out there that are now looking to now franchise their concept? Why should they consider franchising their business?
There's nobody more enthusiastic about growing your business than someone who's invested in it. That's why franchising is so important. It's their money, it's their business, it's your brand. You're not going to get a manager to care more than an owner.
Yeah, and how many people out there are actually looking to buy a franchise?
I think there's a lot. There's a lot of people that have been successful doing something for a long time. They'd like a change of pace. People understand food, easy to adapt to, right? A lot of people worked in food at a younger age, so they feel like they can go back and do that. It's flexible. So I think that's why there's a lot of people looking to do franchises in food particularly, but really all brands of franchising, because they have money, they have experience, they need to put it somewhere so they're not living off their retirement.
Love that. And for all the new franchise concepts and that tell themselves, how am I ever going to compete with a bigger brand that's in my industry? How am I actually going to grow and gain market share? What's the secret for them to grow?
Well, you have to have a good product. If we didn't have good pizza, nothing else would matter. But beyond that, I think there's a lot of people out there that want to try something different. They're anti-establishment in some regard. They're fine trying something completely new they've never heard of. It just needs to be great when they come. That experience is everything.
Yeah, and every brand, even like Subway, someone bought the 5th Subway, someone bought the 30th Subway,
Sure.
right? And that's where they now get in early, and they're now part of the growth of the franchise, and then eventually they get to hundreds and hundreds of locations, and they're really well known. But a lot of that is only about 5% of the big name brands, while a lot of these emerging and mid-market brands are rapidly growing and are underlooked, but even better opportunities oftentimes.
That's right. Yeah, we're extremely small compared to our competition. Pizza's a massive segment, but it really doesn't matter. When it comes down to your neighborhood, your market, your community, it doesn't matter how big you are. It's you. It's the service you provide. It's how you treat your employees. It's what the consumers in that market can count on from you.
I love that. And a lot of these bigger brands, all the good territory is already taken. So that really leaves a wide open window for these emerging brands to jump in and to now grab their market share as well.
Yeah, go where they aren't is a good philosophy, right? Bring something new to a community, something they don't have, be first with it. It's awesome. I mean, I think that's one way to diversify yourself. If you've got something nailed down in one market and you want to grow something else that's adjacent that you can grow as well. Utilize your knowledge of the market.
I love that. Thanks for your time. Great info there.
Yep.
That was great. Thank you.